Okay, so here we are back here. We've got our front and our back, our two ends, and we need to mark out our rebates on the ends of our block. So you take your block, grab your side, make sure it's flush on the edge here, and then getting your pencil in your case, but I'm using a texture in my case so that you can see easy on the video, make a mark, get your tri-square, lay it across, mark it across, down the side, down the other side. So that leaves us with our end to mark. The way we do that is we use marking gauge. We set it at 10 millimeters, or you can check it by checking the depth of the marking gauge matches the depth of the hole here. Alright, so it's got to match up to the depth of the hole there. Scribe it all the way across, get your pen and put it in the groove and across that way. Then down the side, same thing down the side. Mark with pencil, down the other side, so rock it, touch with the point, down you come. It's done. Then I like to mark these with a cross, so I know they're the bits I'm going to cut out. We've done that one, turn around, do the same to the other end, and then you're ready to cut it out. So quickly again, on there, mark it, tri-square, mark across, mark it down, mark down the other side, and your marking gauge should already be preset at 10 millimeters. Down the edge, along the bottom, and down the other edge. Alright, then get your pencil, in my case texter, your case your pencil, mark on the lines. And that's just going to help you when you're cutting and chiseling out. So then you'll have to mark out the waste material. So just mark out a little cross what waste material is. That way if you don't get a chance to cut it out in this lesson, when you come back you'll know what parts you're cutting out. So that's what it should look like when you're finished. Ready to cut out your rebate joints. So you can either demonstrate sawing down this end and chiseling. However, if you get one like this one which has a knot in it and you've got to put your rebate joints through a knot, we're still going to saw across this way using either the bench hook or the block, but instead of chiseling this way we're actually going to use the tenon saw to saw that way, and I'm going to show you both those techniques in the next tutorial. Till then, cheers everybody, bye.